Time now for your transfer update.
Now, the breaking news, and we knew it was happening. Now it has happened.
I think it's a good signing, and you can clearly see why a lot of clubs were after him. He's still young. He's obviously got a lot of potential and a lot of sort of, growth within that ability that we've already seen. He's certainly got the physicality that you think could certainly perform in the Premier League. He's a real presence. You feel that, if they want to play the ball into him, he can certainly hold the ball up and link play. He's also got pace to get in behind. We know that he's a goal, and I think he can even get better with that. So you just feel with Manchester United's business, with those players that they've already brought in with Premier League experience and quality, you're then adding a young player with a lot of potential to that. And it must be really exciting for Manchester United fans, because after such a poor season last year, a season where we know that they needed to add more activity, you look at that front line now and you think, wow, this could be really exciting for Manchester United.
Manchester United ready to replace Luke Shaw. Hadji Malick Diouf shock transfer links explode. Manchester United fans are starting to get excited after fresh reports revealed that the club are seriously impressed by West Ham left-back Hadji Malick Diouf ahead of the summer transfer window. The 21-year-old Senegal international has reportedly caught the attention of United scouts with his incredible attacking performances this season, and many inside the club believe he could be the perfect long-term option to compete with Luke Shaw at Old Trafford. Diouf's pace, energy, creativity, and ability to contribute in attack have made him one of the most exciting young fullbacks being monitored across Europe right now. What has shocked many fans even more is the statistic showing Diouf has actually outperformed Luke Shaw in attacking output this season, something that has sparked huge debates online about the future of United's left-back position. With injuries continuing to affect Shaw's consistency, Manchester United are believed to be looking at younger and more dynamic options to strengthen the squad under the club's new project. Diouf fits the exact profile United want: young, explosive, fearless, and full of potential. Supporters are already imagining what the Senegalese talent could bring to Old Trafford if the move becomes reality. While no official bid has been submitted yet, United are closely monitoring his progress and could make a move once the summer market opens. One thing is certain, this transfer story is only getting started, and fans will be watching every update closely.